Okay, I've taken the outputted TIFF file from the UV snapshot into Photoshop, and what I'm going to do here is just reverse this image. So I'm going to Image, I'm going to Adjustment, and I'm going to Invert. Also, I'm going to take the channels and I'm going to delete the alpha channel because I don't need it. Now I've got a custom made texture for my water effect. It's just something quickly that I cobbled together. Here we go. It's actually like a cloud map, but it should work quite well as a water effect. So I'm going to get this, drag it into here. Then I'm going to go to Edit and Free Transform. Might need to zoom out a bit for this. And what I'm going to do is get this and put it over the top. Turn it 90 degrees. Scale it down to roughly the size of my UV, like this. And in fact, I'm going to stretch it. You could make a duplicate and cobble them together, but just make sure that the end here is the same as this end. So you'll have to get this, reverse it out, put it at the top so that the two match up when you get to the end of the texture. Okay, what I'm going to do now is put it right against the edge of the UV, and I'm going to stretch it up to the top. That's going to be our water flow when we move our UVs across the texture. I click that and apply that there. Now I'm covering, as you can see, I'm covering the UVs. It doesn't matter, they're still there. Now I'm going to save this back out. So I'm just going to save it. Image compression none. Leave the rest of the settings. If it asks you about layers, don't need layers. Discard layers. That's fine. Okay, now my output TIFF is this file. So I'm going to go back into Photoshop, back into Maya, and bring this back in to the Maya file, to the waterfall file, and then we'll animate the UVs, and I'll just set up a simple end particle that you can fiddle around with. Basically, the job's done at that stage. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll actually put this onto the model and animate the UVs.